Hello everyone, welcome to the paddy fields. Today we're working. I know y'all probably don't want to work. Some of y'all probably got school, but nah, we're working. We're getting out of school early. Whatever y'all do. But we're working today in the paddy fields. My uncle, he knew this guy. I was trying to get a job. Knew this guy. Sent us over here. Come this way. You can make a couple dollars. So that's what I'm doing right now. Shouldn't be that bad. I'm Ian. Typhoon gradually weakened and turned into a tropical depression. This typhoon caused a lot of damage. Television news plays in quiet living room. I don't know if you ever had I don't know if you ever had Sour Patches, but like the lemonade one, they're pretty good. I was alone, staring at the TV. It's my own language. I can't spell it out. God damn it. Apparently this typhoon was very strong. However, although it rained near my house, there wasn't much damage. I glanced at the cup of ramen in front of me. Inside, for some reason, I haven't had much of an appetite lately. Maybe it's because of the low pressure, or maybe it's because of the continuous rain. The rain has stopped a long time ago. Like, don't feel motivated. I get that. A voice cuts through the silence. Reluctantly, got up as if I had been waiting for that voice. Is that my dog? It's my dog. The voice belongs to my beloved dog, Bonta. He's a large, elderly dog who turned 10. Damn, he old. When he was young, Bonta was a very energetic and mischievous child. But now he seems completely quiet, or rather weak. Well, that makes sense. He loves going on walks and will go for a walk during a typhoon. Let's not do that. That doesn't seem to be the smartest idea. Even though he's getting older, he's still an important family to me. Like a son. If he wants to go for a walk, there's no reason not to. I personally like going for walks with Bonta. Yeah, but not during the typhoon. That doesn't make any sense. It's like going through a hurricane. Now that I think about it, I can't remember why I wanted to keep Bonta. Maybe it was because I was lonely. That makes sense for most. I went out the front door and looked towards the doghouse. Bonta was looking at me with big eyes, smile on his face. He couldn't wait. Let's go for a walk, Bonta. It better not be raining. Day 1. We're dead. Bonta, you want to go for a walk? Oh my god, you might want to be quiet. Absolutely not. Is he gonna do it all day? I arrived at the rice fields for rice field. God damn it! I arrived at the rice field path where I usually take walks. Bonta loves things. Oh my god, I'm gonna crash out. Bonta loves this path, even though it's just a straight walk to the back. But the lead is getting pretty worn out. Bonta is an old dog, and I've been using this lead for a long time. Well, change it. You know, they just foreshadowed that he's gonna break the lead. He's gonna run away. I have to be careful not to get too far away from Bonta. Bonta can't wait. Let's go. I'm coming, Bonta. We just do this in the middle of nowhere? This is terrible. I can't look anywhere. I have to keep going straight. Bonta? What are you doing, Bonta? Bonta, you'll protect me, right? Oh, the moon is out. Beautiful. I think this is psychological horror game. I think you'll hear sounds. Oh, it's someone out there. Oh shit. Bonta, wait! Bonta, you're going too far. Wait! It's gonna break. This guy's going out for a walk too. This girl. Hello. Okay. There's a whole car behind us. I can't do anything. I just have to keep going straight. I was gonna talk to the girl, but want to left. If I stop moving, does he stop? Huh. What's up, Bonta? How do you stop? I came to a crossroad where I always turn back. Okay, let's go home, Bonta. Oh. Oh, we're back. Oh, look at this nice ass house. Oh my god. I have to give Bonta some food and water. Oh my god, this house is amazing. This nice ass house. I get it from the sink. And then we need some. What the hell? Do I have guests? Hello? The hell was that? It must be a Onesa sleeping. Making all that noise up there? That's a lot of food. He eats a lot. What the hell's going on? One sec. I'm feeding my dog, damn it. I feel like there's someone in the house. I should be the only one at home. More than anything, I feel like Bonta's eating less. He doesn't seem to have much energy. Despite my worries, Bonta drank the water with lots of splashes, then turned his big, dripping mouth toward me, licking my face. The only one I can rely on, Bonta. Day 2. There's someone in my house? Did I worry about it? We're going on another walk. We got a new leash. My leash is black now. That's not the same leash. Oh, he's crying. What happened? Speak to me about that. Speak. Where'd he go? Oh, he can't. Okay. Oh, he can't go forward without me. One more time. Wait. I'm leading him now? Let's go, Bota. Follow my lead. Bro's leading me. He's weird. He's like following along with me. I don't know who's leading who anymore. Where's that place? My dog about to get robbed. What the hell is his problem? There's a weird facility over there. There's someone over there. I heard someone. Wow. Oh, wow. Next news, a man was discovered last night on a rice paddy path in town. According to police, this man is believed to be in his 30s and lives in town and was found with his head submerged in the water in a rice field. The cause of death is likely drowning, and police are investigating both the incidents, whether it was a crime or an accident. Here's the next news. Wait, did I just get... I died. Game over. What? What happened? Okay, so... I'm supposed to do something. Okay. I'm supposed to do something. But it doesn't let me divert. See, I couldn't go that way. Nothing will change if I continue on this path. I have to think. There's something I must do. Oh, he will follow me. Let's go home. Can I go home? Wouldn't let me. Okay. What kind of puzzle is this? I'm confused. I don't have a shift. I don't have a sprint. Maybe you look away from it? Or maybe my dog always protects me. I don't know. I'm following his lead. Oh. I got out of his way. I don't know, I just moved to the side. Okay. Interesting. Are you ready to go, Bonta? I don't know. I just turned around. I feel like we're going a little more deeper than we're supposed to. There are a lot of strange people. I'll go home today. Or do that. Where's the bath at? Oh, it's down here. I will. I wonder if I should like pay mine. some of the noises in my house. Or should I just leave it be? Ah, yes. I see. Must be the flavored water I use for my bubble bath. Blood red. Who the hell's up here, huh? I have no further business ahead. Okay. All right. Wow. That was pretty good. Pretty good game. What the hell? And the rake? What was the rake doing in my backyard? Is that what's killing my dog? I agree. I feel like I'm hallucinating. I only feel safe when Bonta's by my side. However, Bonta doesn't eat much. He's still lying there as if he's asleep. It feels like he's going to go far away at this rate. Maybe I should just go along with him. While I was thinking about that, Bonta suddenly got up and came over to me. It's as if he's trying too hard to avoid worrying me. Sorry, Bonta. Good night. Day 3. I'm dead. The rake was in my backyard. Hey, Bonta looks kind of soulless. I'm not gonna lie. Perhaps they are burning something in the open. What the hell? There's somebody there. I already see him. The hell? Is there something I should be worried about, Bonta? Bonta. Oh, Bonta, you're scaring me. Bonta. Bonta, tell me. Is there treasure? There's something over there. There's somebody over here. What is that? A person or a sign? Oh, it is a person. Oh, well. Hey. Hey. What the hell? That was her problem. What the hell was that? Bonta, protect me. Oh, it's her. What do you do? Bonta, let's go. Shut up. Why am I leading the way, Bonta? I don't know if I should have been watching or not. Oh, wow. Where did they get going? What are they doing? What is this? They're just burning the place. I am crazy. Yeah, I think you're hallucinating. I'm not gonna lie. I've arrived. It seems like the smell has transferred to my clothes. I'll wash them. I was wondering where the laundry machine was. Let's prepare some water and food for Bonta now. I shall. Is the rake outside? Doesn't seem like it. My clothes are done. Jump scare. The hell? What was that? The microwave? This is a nice little thing. Wait, what just happened? Anyways. Who was knocking on my window? My dog! Hey! Who hurt my dog? The rake is out there, bro. He's dead. Bonta was asleep in his usual position with his chin resting on his front paws. I knew it would come someday. The time would come that the rake would come take my dog. The rake has protected me for years, but now he wanted a sacrifice. I want to be by his side at the very least until the time was he might want to be alone and quiet. I stroked him for a longer than usual and listened to his quiet breathing. I suddenly stopped stroking his head, but Bonta still seemed to be sleeping peacefully. I quietly said good night and went inside. I felt strangely relieved. No matter which one Bonta chooses, I'm waiting for the time. He's gonna choose the rake or me. Why do you have your dog sleep outside? Alright. Personally, my dog would always stay inside. That's just me. Especially if he's about to die. Bam. Yeah, he's cooked. At least he died pretty sturdy. Seems Bonta went ahead. What a difficult guy. I'll have to go look for him too. I don't know if is this a good ending or a bad ending? Yeah, they burnt the paddy field. I'm not too sure what this is about. I'm not too sure what the girl was about either. What is that? A skateboard? What is that, a zombie? The hell is that thing doing? Am I in a spare world? Is this filling up? What's that? A soccer ball? Must have been the kid. Loud as hell. Oh my god. Another monster. What am I in hell? What is this? Purgatory? What are they all looking at? Cthulhu? Is that Bonta, my dog? No, it's oh, it's the dog. It's the girl. Bonta was actually the demon lord. The gates of Gehenna. What is that? It looks like a big ass gate. My guy is suffering from something. Don't know what, but it's something. Oh, I can see the light now. I can see it now. It's beautiful. I'm enamored. Enamored? I'm enamored by it. Oh, it's so beautiful. What is it? What is that? Are those crows? Those are crows. This my family? I'm finally alone. I can finally die. Oh my dog. Bonto, was you in a place like this? You are making me worry. Shall we go home? Where's home? Bonta's guiding me to the spirit world. Or out of the spirit world. To a nice place. I see it. I can see it now. The light at the end of the tunnel. The impending calmness. Yeah. The impending calmness that I have awaiting me. I can feel it now. Made it. Bro. Got in. Whoa. What day is it? I fell asleep. Was this all a dream? It was all a dream. Ain't no way. I seem to have been dreaming. I wonder how long I've been asleep. I wonder if Bonta is doing well. I have to give Bonta some water and food. It's about time I woke up. Where am I? Upstairs? Yeah, I was gonna say, my house is way too big. I just dreamt about killing my family. Whose room was this? We got a lot of kids. And turned into a tropical depression that this caused a lot of damage. Wait a minute. What kind of purgatory am I in right now? Feels like I'm in a loop. Next news, a passenger car and a light truck collided head-on the expressway. 3 people, including 2 children, were killed in the accident, as was the man driving the light truck. Miraculously, the man driving the car only suffered minor injuries. The accident occurred in poor visibility conditions due to the effects of the typhoon, and the light truck ran into the opposite lane. Police are currently investigating the exact circumstances. Furthermore, due to this accident, the Blank Blank Expressway was congested for XXKM. Firefighter efforts are done. So did I kill 3 people by accident? Is this the guilt I'm feeling? Oh no, this is my car. This car. Oh my god. I don't drive a van. I drive the Supra. Go feed our dog. It's a demon. What the hell? Hello. Alright. There was a monster. I have to hide somewhere. Wait! Please! Wait! Where was I supposed to hide? Stench. The skin is mixed of white and yellow. The stretched limbs. A lifeless face. I remember everything. This is me. Wait, what? On. You promised to go. My son looks angry and sulky. It was the day of the family outing that we promised. We plan to go to the amusement park. But a typhoon hit Japan that day. It doesn't even rain over there. Who said that? They're dumb. The daughter also seemed to be looking forward. Smile on her face, her frustration canceled. It's obviously not good, right? My wife is trying to persuade the kid. This is an important summer holiday event for the children. I wanted somehow to make. Let's just go and see what happens. You're stupid. The kids' faces were smiling. My wife looked unhappy. I wouldn't have went. He's dumb. If that doesn't work, there seems to be a big... He's dumb. Why did he do that? What did he say? Monta, I'm off now. Where am I going? What is this goddamn visual novel? While we're driving, everyone is asleep. I'm learning the lore. I get it now. I get what happened, alright? They died. Because the typhoon, there was little traffic, even though it was a Sunday. Yep. I turned off the traffic radio, played my favorite music, and drove at ease. Big mistake, buddy. But it happened Sunday. Beep beep. I turned to a downpour at the car, and it was... The world has suddenly changed. My eyes, ears, and hands gripping the steering wheel. All my senses told me that something was wrong. I slowed down and turned on the hazard lights, but this time my wife and kids were waking up. Are you okay? My wife asked hastily, just as I was about to answer. I was okay. They were though. They were not though. Are you okay? As you're whipping it? He's like, yeah, I'm good. Oh. Hope you got your seatbelts on. What about everyone? Are the children safe at the moment? I looked around. Oh, I get it. He was the one that survived, but everyone else died. It was pitch black. I fainted again. Surely I guess I saw something I shouldn't have seen. They died. Surely I won't wake up this time. But he woke up. I'm on my way. It's the white man. Normal end. Goodbye. Ah, there are different endings. Well, the normal end seems like the normal end of the basic ending that you're supposed to get anyways. So, I'm satisfied with this ending. I appreciate that. Oh my god, I keep yawning. Well, that was cool. That was interesting. I enjoyed that game for what it was. I appreciate you guys for coming down and watching it. I'll see you guys whenever we play next. Peace out. Goodbye.